it's Hanny with my book of scraps, and this is part 6. Yep. I did a few things already, but like I said in the previous parts, I don't like the binding, it's too loose. So I'm going to change that, and I think, well, that easy it is. I think I'm going to bind it with the same stuff, but sew it in this time. Just trying, maybe that will be better, I don't know. So I'm going to reorganize the spines, put this out, and I'm just thinking if I want to have 2 signatures or 1. I think I'm still doing 1. This out, and then I'm doing 3 holes. This is going to be a bit difficult. No. I just have to measure it, because I want 3 holes, but there are little pieces of paper in it, and if I do those in the middle, well, they are just attached with 1 hole, and I want to have 2, so I'm doing that a bit lower. So then I want to have the first hole at 1 inch from each side, and then the next, the third one in the middle. It's 6.5. Well, that's 3 1/4. So I will get a piece of paper somewhere. It has to have the same width, something like that. Well, it's not the same, but maybe I'm going to use this one. Can use that one. So the first will be at 1 inch, and this will be 1 inch from the side, and this is 4.5. That will be 2 1/4, and that's over here. So those are going to be the 3 holes, and I should have done that in the middle. Oh, I can see through it here, here, and here. So this one is going to be here, this one is going to be here, and this is going to be up. So this is going to be the spine with holes. And now I have the same problem again. Well, I can do it again. 1 inch over here and 1 inch over here and 2 1/4 or 3 1/4, I should say. 3, and that's over here. Is that okay? I think so. Now I hope I can get through it because it's very thick. It's very thick, yeah, that's number 1. I leave it there. And that's number 2. And I put this one through there. And this is going to be number 3. Just poking through, yeah. Now I need this needle. I need this needle. Well, it's in it already. So, oh no, I want to start in the middle. So I'm going to put that there, and then put this through here, and I start in the at the outside, going in, and now I can't find the hole anymore. That one, it's just there. And now it should go through. Yeah, it goes. Like I said, it's very thick. Maybe I should use a thinner needle. Could try, because this is a very thick one. Do I have one that's thinner? Yeah, this one is thinner, and it has a big hole. I hope I can pull it through. I don't know. I don't know. Yes. So from the outside to the inside. It's not difficult, but when the signature is that difficult. So that's one, I hope. Yes. Yeah. That's one. Going out. Oh, I should bind it, of course, I'm so stupid. I have to bind it in here, of course. Just pushing through the needles again, and this one, and it has to go this way. And I'm going to do those in the middle, here, and here, and here. Do I have another pokey tool? Something like that. Here, here, and here. So they have to go this way, so I'm going to push that from the outside through the spine, and then through here. That was a bit stupid. So, and now I'm going to get the bottom here and here. There, the top. Like so. And now again through the middle. Like so. And I think it's okay now. It's the same bandage I'm using. It's not so easy anymore to pull the pages out. It's upside down. Oh my gosh. So, I thought I had done it right, but I didn't. So I have to pull it out again. Oh my gosh. Well, you know, it can happen. I thought I did it right. How stupid can one be? Well, it's not the first time, you know. When you make YouTube films or videos, well, people think you don't make mistakes. Well, I do. I do make mistakes. Well, I did the whole thing again. I pulled everything out and I sewed it again, and now at the same in the same way. And now I did it right. You see, it's not upside down more. And I put the pages in again. This I did a bit different, I see. I put those in again. It's a bit lower now, but well, it's still nice. And everything is, well, it's sturdy. And I put those things in here, and this is okay too. So this is all I did, but I wanted you to know that I changed the spine and how I did it. So that's why I made this video. This was number 6, I think. And I hope you will join me again at part 7, when I'm going to make some more ephemera, I think. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.